Good morning, Master Blend Nation. We down here this morning in Wilmington with Big Chef Petty up here. He counting some birthdays. They stacking up on
Too many
him.
birthdays.
Yeah. But yo, what we need from you guys is to, in the comments, wish him a happy birthday. You know what I'm saying? Do that for Master Blend. Do that for Cast Iron Kitchen. Do that for Big Petty, baby. Turn up 365.
2021.
Yeah. And I think he said he's actually 32 years old today.
24. 24. 24 on the 24.
But yo, in the comments, express your, your love for my man, and thank you guys for all that you do. You know what I'm saying? We signing out from Cast Iron, Master Blend. Peace.